This method prepares students for advanced chemistry by building a strong foundation in core concepts and reasoning skills that are required for complex topics. Think of it like learning to read before you write a book. Students first learn basic ideas such as atoms, molecules, reactions, and how to measure and observe changes, and then they practice applying those ideas to new problems. Lessons emphasize clear steps, understand what is given, visualize or draw what is happening, and use simple rules to predict results so students get comfortable with logical thinking. Hands-on experiments and worked examples show how abstract ideas connect to real observations, so the ideas stop being just words and become things you can test. As students repeat this process, they build mental tools that let them tackle harder ideas like energy changes, reaction mechanisms, and rates with confidence. A common mistake is memorizing facts without understanding how to apply them, and the fix is to practice solving problems and explaining why an answer makes sense. Another mistake is skipping basic laboratory skills, which leads to confusion later, and the fix is to spend time on simple experiments and careful observing and recording. A third misconception is thinking advanced topics are separate from basics, and the remedy is to always trace new ideas back to the core concepts learned earlier, so connections become clear. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources that help you build the skills needed for advanced chemistry.